In this tutorial, we will see that how you can blur face in CapCut. So let's dive in. Firstly, you have to update your CapCut app and click on open. After opening it, you have to click on new project. And here, firstly, you have to choose a video and click on add. Here it is. Now, for the first step, you will find some of options at the bottom side of the app. So you have to scroll left and you will find here effects. Open it and here you will find video effects. Click on that and you will be on trending. You have to click on lens. In lens, if you scroll down, you will find here blur. Here it is. Click on that, and if you click on adjust, you can adjust it to 23 to 24 like that, and simply you have to click on this tick. Now we have two layers. First is video and second is blur. We have to apply this second layer of blur into all video. Simply drag it from here to all video like this. Now first step is done. Now let's move on to second step. Simply from the bottom side options, you have to click on overlay, and here you have to choose same video and click on add. And here we have two layers, one with blurred and one is default simple video. Now we have to select this second layer and adjust it like this to the video with two fingers. After adjusting it, you will find some of options on the bottom side. You have to swipe it and here you will find mask option. Click on that. So here, if you want to blur a face, so we have to choose shape of circle. I will click on that and here it is. Now you can adjust it from screen like this and adjust it to face to the subject like this. And then you have to click on this invert and this blur will be inverted to subject's face like this. Then simply click on tick and here our second step is done. But if this video is moving, you can see here our blur effect is not stable. Now to make it stable to the all video, you can follow this third, last and easy step. Now simply click on this keyframe option and it will open this position window. Then you have to click on this little arrow to close it. Then make sure you are on start of the video. Then simply move forward your video from timeline like this. And now you can see our blur is little bit away from face. So we have to adjust it from screen like this. Simply move forward your video and adjust it. It will automatically add keyframes to your video. Now after completing this video, if you play it, you can find here our keyframe and blurred part is moving with this video and it's working perfectly. You can delete this last part if you want, and here if you click on this back option, it will sum up these all layers into one. Now to export it, click on this 720p and here you can adjust resolution. I will recommend 1080p and 30 frame rate, and click on this upload icon and here save to device, and it will start exporting and save to your gallery. So that's how you can blur face in CapCut in just few easy steps.